Allstar Construction Group. This is Bobby, and this is the video that I promised you. It's going to give you a few tips on what you can do to build your online presence and to generate more leads. So the first thing I want to do is take a look at your website. Google ranks web pages based on primarily the amount of content they have on their front page. So as I scroll through your page, I notice that you don't have a whole lot of content. So that's one thing you can do. Bring it up to about 1,000 or 1,500, just really based on how much content your competitor has. But it's not just content alone. It has to be keyword-rich content. So first I use a word counter, and it's telling me that you have 456 words. So there's a lot that you can add to there. I use this paid tool. It's called Ahrefs, and I typed in this keyword, roofing, Arlington, Texas. So Ahrefs shows me that every month there's approximately 100 searches in just this one keyword phrase alone, and that has a cost per click of $20. So that means if you want to run a Google ad for this particular word, you're going to pay $20 each time somebody clicks on your ad. But right here you see it has a keyword difficulty ranking of 13, which is medium. So that means, so 0 means it's the easiest to rank, and 100 means that it's the hardest to rank. So it's we can get you to rank onto the first page with this keyword. So I'm going to type that into the Google search bar and show you what happens. So this first section right here is the ad section. So each of these companies right here are paying $20 each time somebody just clicks on their ad. The next section right here is the map pack, or the GMB page. So I noticed right here that you're not on the top 3. But John Wade Roofing is number 1, and there's a couple of reasons. One of the first reasons is based on citations. A citation is the name, address, and phone number exactly the way you have it listed right here, and it has to be in as many directories throughout the internet as possible. So the more directories you have, the more citations you have into directories, the higher your chances are to get in right here. Another reason is by the amount of reviews. So they have 75, they have 68, and they have 108. So if you get at least 2 or 3 times as much as these people right here, then you can get onto the front page. I'm going to click on John Wade Roofing so I can show you how his Google My Business page looks and give you a couple more pointers. So right here, another thing that gets you onto the first page is by the amount of pictures you have, but the pictures have to be saved as high volume keywords such as roof in Arlington, Texas. I have this other tool right here. It's a citation finder, and it's telling me that John Wade Roofing has 48 citations. So in order for you to beat them, you need to have at least 100, maybe even 150. Now I'm going to show you how your GMB page looks. So we see right here your website is connected, which is very good. And then we see right here you only have 1 Google review. A fast and easy way to get more Google reviews is to text message your GMB page over to your clients and have them give you a 5-star review. So I see right here you do have quite a bit more pictures. We just need to save them as keywords. The next thing that I want to show you is the section under the map pack. It's called the organic section, and you're listed. This is where your website is listed. So as I scroll down, I noticed that your website is not on the top page either. So whenever I click on Joe Hall Roofing, because they're the first page, we're gonna look at his website so we can determine and see why he's number 1. So as I scroll through his page, I noticed that he also doesn't have a whole lot of content. He has a lot of pictures. Some, I'm not sure if they're saved as keywords or not, but those are a couple of things that you can do. So I'm using the word counter on his page as well. He has about 573 words, so that's actually not very much as well. So you need to beat him by 2 or 3 times in order for you to be number 1. I'm going to go back to this Ahrefs tool so that we can dissect your page and your top competitors page. So first I'm going to I typed in Joe Hall Roofing, into the search bar right here, and it's telling me that he has 94 organic keywords that Google is finding on his webpage. It's also telling me that he has 790 backlinks. A backlink is whenever another relevant company has your website link on their page pointing back to you, and that gives you more popularity and more power in Google's eyes. But you see right here that they have a low domain rating for their backlinks, so they have a lot of backlinks, but they're all low ranking. But their backlinks and their organic traffic together is bringing Joel Ha Roofing approximately 99 visits every month. So let's take a look at your page. As I typed it in, I noticed that you don't have a lot of data right here, so it can either mean that your page is very new or that you're just not really ranking anything yet. Either way, you have a really nice website, but no one is seeing it organically. So it doesn't mean that no one at all is going to your webpage. It just means that only the people who you are already in contact with are seeing your page. And one of the biggest things about having a website is to get traffic to it from people who you don't know so that you can get new clients. So those are basically the 3 things that I wanted to talk to you about: citations, content, and backlinks. I hope that this helps you out some. Either way, I'm really excited and interested to know what you think. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon.